Good morning, guys. In USD CAD, I was expecting price to trade above this high and this high towards this fair value gap, but we actually ended up creating something like an equal high formation in weekly time frame. I'm still bullish. I'm still expecting higher prices in this one. I'm still expecting price to go above this high. Let's see. USD CHF dropping. I was bullish on this last day. Gold, uh, daily candle is bullish. Possibly we're trading towards this high. I can spot a flip here. At the same time, if I drop my Fibonacci on this impulsive move, that's the impulse correction, impulse move. Okay, let's see what's going on in 4 hour perspective. I was long in this one last night, and I got stopped out. I actually scaled out a little, and then it got stopped out during the Asian session. I'm still looking for longs here. Price is clearly trading above 1020 EMA in 4 hour time frame and 1 day time frame, so environment is perfectly ready for longs. I just want a better price so that I can target towards this high and get a 1 to 3 exort ratio. At the same time, I'm aware that we only have 1 day, 17 hours left for the weekly candle to close, and we are actually, uh, I don't think we are possibly going to make a new higher high for the week, but let's see. Do we have any news tomorrow? Friday, right? Let me check. Today, we have a news of unemployment claims at around 7 p.m. And tomorrow, we have some GDP for CAD, core PPI, and PPI for USD. Okay, so it's possible that we're going to make a new higher high for gold this week because there are decent amount of red folder news events, a decent amount of catalyst for gold to actually complete this move. So let's see. I'm just aware of this thing. I'm just waiting for a better price and rejection upside. Then I will start planning for long here, no doubt. Euro GBP correcting back higher. There is nothing in this. Okay, let's start with Euro USD monthly time frame. I can see a flip going on right now. This was the previous resistance, and right now we traded upside, and right now we are rejecting from it from upside. In weekly time frame, we can clear that, like we can spot that more clearly. And it's possible, even though the weekly bias was bearish, but price actually failed to create a new lower low for the week, clear the previous weekly low. Price actually failed to do that, and it is closing as an insider bar most probably. So I think I can start looking for longs here. The overall environment is bullish. Price is beautifully bouncing from 1020 EMA. And if uh, we close like a bullish candle this week, in that case, I will start looking for long-term long swing longs in Euro USD and target towards this high. Price is beautiful in daily time frame. Price is beautifully bouncing from daily 50 EMA. We're just going above 1020 EMA right now. The overall market sentiment is bullish. This is the last impulsive move towards downside, and then price corrected back higher, failed to drop below this low, and right now we are trying to go above this high. And it's highly possible that we're gonna clear this high within next two stations like London and NY. I'm waiting for a deeper correction at around this level, and then I will start planning for longs here. I'm already long in AUD USD. I'm targeting towards this high. This is actually this high, and we also have a long-term like internal range buy side liquidity at around this level. So I'm already long on AUD USD. So even though the setups are clean in AUD USD, sorry, I'm already long in AUD USD. So even though the setups are clear in Euro USD and GBP USD, still I'm just gonna wait for them like clear, clear signs of bullishness. I'm gonna wait for clear signs of bullishness. Only in that case I will start planning for longs. because I just don't want to like increase my exposure at the end of the week. At the same time, we have like too much rate folder new like some rate folder news events tomorrow and today during the New York open hours. So I'm just gonna play it safe now. I'm already up by a decent hour for the week. I'm expecting price to clear the Asian range low, and then I'm expecting a like bullish structural shift from this kind of level. In that case, it will also line up perfectly with 50 EMA in 1 hour time frame and 1020 EMA and 4 hour time frame. So that's a pretty much solid setup that I really want to. This is what I really want to keep in my watch list. It looks pretty solid. Okay, you GBP USD. Okay, overall in monthly time frame, we managed to create a new higher high, and right now we're dropping towards downside. This is the last impulsive phase towards upside. So if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, we are currently above 38.2. We are rejecting from it. At the same time, I can spot a flip here, and it's highly possible that we're going to bounce from this and create a new higher high for GBP USD in monthly time frame, long term. In weekly time frame, we can clearly spot that I can clearly spot that price is actually bouncing above this flip, and at the same time, this is perfectly lining up with 1020 EMA. And if we just drop off Fibonacci on this last impulsive move, it's some bouncing from somewhere around the golden, like somewhere around the OTE level. So yeah, let's see how it unfolds. I'm gonna start looking for longs here in lower time frames from next week. I will start looking for swing longs in GBP USD and target towards this high. And in daily time frame, we are just like trying to go above 50 EMA, trying to shift into a bullish structure right now. Again, after dropping below 50 EMA, we are strongly correcting back higher. The last daily candle was strongly impulsive towards the upside. We still have this fair value gap left. Like this is gonna work as an internal range buy side liquidity. So it's possible that we're gonna correct back lower in daily time frame, or even from current levels. It's possible that we're gonna trade higher and clear this high. Let's see what's going on in 4 hour time frame. Pretty much same story as Euro USD. If price managed to correct back lower at around this flip area, in that case, this setup will beautifully line up with the 1020 EMA. I'm gonna wait for price to reject back lower and then give me some good rejection towards upside so that I can look for some short-term longs here and target towards this highs. So that's my plan for GBP USD. Let's see how it unfolds. AUDUSD, I'm going to hold my position and I'm planning to actually trail my stop at break even for this one because we are already into around 2.2 hour running. There is nothing. NZDUSD, overall the sentiment is bullish. We can target towards this high and long term. Let's see what's going on in monthly perspective. Okay. After this impulsive drop, price corrected back higher and failed to create a new lower low. So this is becoming our HPL, high probability liquidity. And right now, possibly we are trading towards this high. It's pretty much clear, isn't it? After this impulsive phase, price corrected back lower, but I don't think it managed to correct back lower. Yep, it corrected back lower all the way lower to 0.382. And right now we're correcting back higher again to clear this highs most probably. We can start looking for longs here. In daily time frame, I can spot this channel, and it's possible that we're gonna like break. We're gonna get a breakout of this on the next week. Uh, After creating this impulsive phase, we created a breakout structure, and then price actually failed to create a new lower low, and we're searching towards upside. So it's highly possible that we're gonna get a breakout here. In 4 hour, price action is very much clean. After this drop, price like it's a very much clean market structural shift that we can spot here. After this break of structure, we corrected back lower all the way to a OTE level, and then we're impulsing towards upside. So this is my last flip, and I'm gonna wait for price to give me some good decent correction downside. And if I find price clearly bouncing from 1020 EMA in intraday time frames like 4 hour and 1 hour, I will start looking for longs here. Even though it's clearly bouncing from 1020 EMA in 1 hour time frame right now, but I will be waiting for a deeper correction because I'm waiting for the deeper correction in USD, GBP USD and EURUSD. I'm gonna just play it safe. I'm gonna target towards this highs. I'm gonna wait for a breakout if I actually manage to catch this trade. I'm gonna wait for like this highs and all this highs. So that's gonna be a high process, like high risk reward ratio trade if I actually manage to catch this. So that's definitely something I really want to add in. I'm really gonna add in my watch list. USDJPY, it's still trying to continue its bullish trend. In weekly time frame, I can clearly spot a trend line here, and we are bouncing from it. So a trend line is playing out right now. At the same time, if I just look at the daily time frame, after this impulsive phase, by it back lower, we can see a flip playing out. I actually managed to catch this trade from this flip, and I shared the idea with the community, TradingView, Telegram, Instagram, everywhere. And right now, it's correcting back again lower. I can start looking for longs again, but I just don't want to do that right now because we have only 1 day left for the weekly candle close. It's better if we just wait for a new weekly open. It's possible that price is going to trade below this low because we are just too much extended towards upside right now, I think. And I just want to see some good little deeper correction so that I can start looking for longs and target towards this high. I'm still bullish on this pair, and what I'm expecting price to trade back lower towards 1020 EMA and reject from it. In that case, in daily time frame, in that case, I can start looking for longs in intraday time frames like 4 hour and 1 hour. For now, I'm just waiting for a deeper correction to 1020 EMA in daily time frame. USD CAD. Very much pretty much same story for USDs. I'm waiting for a price to go above here, but there is nothing clean honestly right now. Overall, the sentiment looks bearish to me. In monthly it's bullish, in weekly it's bearish, so it's pretty much confusing to me. I'm just gonna avoid this one now. USD CHF, after this impulsive drop, we failed to create a new lower low, and right now we are again bouncing towards upside. Let's see what's going on in weekly time frame. We are bearish, and monthly we're bearish. So overall things are pretty much bearish. We can actually start looking for shorts here. I'm just gonna remove all these things. I'll be waiting for price to actually correct back higher a little, and then start showing us some good rejections from 1020 EMA, and then I'll start looking for shorts here. So I'm just keeping this one now. Okay, I'm adding gold in my watch list as uh, I'm adding gold in my watch list. I'm gonna look for some little correction, a little better price so that I can actually manage to get a 1:3 reward ratio. I'm waiting for a correction and then a rejection from a good rejection, and then I will start planning to build my long position. Okay, guys, that's it from now, and see you soon on the next session. Have a great day.